Imagine a world where the true luxury of life is not found in extravagant dining experiences, but rather in the simple pleasure of a home-cooked meal. This is the perspective of Nithin Kamath, the co-founder of Zerodha, who has made a bold statement about his eating habits. He can no longer enjoy food from restaurants. In a candid discussion with agriculture expert Shashi Kumar, Kamath shared his journey towards prioritizing organic and healthy meals prepared at home, emphasizing that this shift has made it nearly impossible for him to eat out. So why should you consider making home-cooked meals a priority in your life? According to Deepalakshmi, a registered dietitian at Sri Balaji Medical Center in Chennai, the frequent consumption of restaurant or takeaway food can lead to significant health issues. She explains that these meals often contain high levels of calories, excessive sodium, unhealthy fats, and lack essential nutrients. Many commercially prepared dishes focus more on taste and convenience rather than nutrition, often using refined ingredients, artificial flavor enhancers, preservatives, and unhealthy cooking methods. This can elevate the risk of obesity, hypertension, heart disease, metabolic disorders, and digestive problems, Deepalakshmi warns. Moreover, she highlights a common issue. Restaurant portions tend to be larger than what is typically recommended, which can lead to overeating and a skewed understanding of proper portion sizes. This habitual overindulgence can contribute to weight gain and disrupt metabolic balance. On the flip side, preparing meals at home offers a wealth of health benefits. When you cook for yourself, you have complete control over the quality of ingredients, cooking methods, and portion sizes. Deepalakshmi notes, home-cooked meals allow for a balanced intake of vital nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. They encourage the use of fresh, whole ingredients and healthier cooking techniques like steaming, baking, grilling, or sautéing with minimal oil, which helps maintain the nutritional integrity of the food. Additionally, those who regularly cook at home are more likely to engage in mindful eating practices, make healthier food choices, and develop a greater awareness of their dietary habits. This mindfulness can lead to lasting positive impacts on their overall health. However, it's crucial to recognize that not all home-cooked meals are automatically healthy. Deepalakshmi cautions against the misconception that cooking at home guarantees nutritious food. The latest dietary guidelines from the Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, indicate that meals prepared at home can still be unhealthy if they are laden with excessive fat, sugar, or salt. High-fat and high-sugar foods are often energy-dense, meaning they are high in calories but low in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Regularly consuming such foods can lead to weight gain and deprive the body of necessary nutrients. To ensure that your home-cooked meals are genuinely healthy, it's important to be mindful of your cooking practices. Ipsita Chakraborty, a senior nutritionist at Hungry Koala, points out some common pitfalls in Indian cooking. For instance, she advises against deep frying, as while essential fatty acids are important for health, using vegetable oils can lead to an increase in harmful fats. Traditional cooking methods like deep frying or excessive oil use can have detrimental effects on health. Additionally, Chakraborty emphasizes the need to be cautious about sugar and salt intake. Many store-bought food products, including juices and cereals that are often perceived as healthy, can be surprisingly high in sugar. Indian cuisine is also notorious for its heavy use of salt. And many people tend to rely on table salt for both flavor and spice, which can lead to excessive sodium consumption. Experts suggest that adopting a balanced routine, such as committing to no sweets, walking 10,000 steps daily, and enjoying home-cooked meals for a month, can lead to significant physical transformations. So what do you think? Is the shift towards home-cooked meals the key to better health? Or do you believe that dining out has its own merits? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, this article is based on insights from various experts, but Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet.